guys, what's up? Oopsie, you weren't supposed to see that. Action! What's up guys, welcome to another mukbang video, or should we call it Olivy's Midnight Munchies. Yeah. Today I got some midnight munchies from 7-Eleven. Let's just say it's midnight though, although it's only like 9 o'clock. So I got jalapeno cream, and also they mixed it up, so I don't know which one's which. And I also got the chicken taquitos. So it's actually $5 for $4. So I was like, I'm all about that life. And my favorite munchie hot Cheeto fries. And I have a little dirty secret. I am obsessed with white chocolate. So I got white chocolate Twix. I got 2 of those. I lied. I bought hella. I bought three white chocolate Twix, Hershey's, and Kit Kat bars. Alright. So lettuce piece. One from you. One from you. One from you. One from me. Had such a long day today. It's raining here and everyone's driving so crazy. I love them. Anyways, I love 7-Eleven. I love their taquitos. My go-to during New Year's Day, Christmas Day, when everything else closed, 7-Eleven is open. And I love it. Oh, this one is the chicken one. It's really good. I can tell this is like the sour cream or jalapeno sour cream. So good. Ow! It stabbed me. Oh my god. It really stabbed me. This is actually like literally my midnight munchies. I'll wake up my boyfriend in the middle of the night and I'll just be like, babe, I want some munchies. Let's get some munchies. And this is what he would get me. I am obsessed with white chocolate. Oh, I love white chocolate. It's a crazy obsession. Oh, M&M's actually makes white chocolate M&M's. And I couldn't find it at 7-Eleven, in my 7-Eleven. And I got sad. But they got stacks of Twix though. Oh no, it's like mushed. Oh my god. It's like, it like got squished all together. You see it. That's funny. But it's okay. It's still good. Delicious. I think my favorite is the jalapeno one. No, I don't think. I don't know. So I went to 7-Eleven and I got all this wonderful treats for myself. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do for mukbang. I was actually trying to do a healthier style of mukbang video, but late night, it's raining, it's pouring, it's munchie time. So I was just like, fuck it, let's go get some 7-Eleven. But once I arrived there, so of course I was walking around. I should have got some 7-Eleven nachos. Their nachos with bombs do. I was hoping they had some donuts left, but you know, it's the end of the day, so they don't really have any. But it's okay. There's always tomorrow. When I finally went in line, oopsie, the cashier was asking me like simple questions like, are you Filipino? Where are you from the Philippines? It started off as a friendly conversation, and then out of nowhere, his coworker right next to him, and they were like packing the like cigarettes and all that stuff. He's telling him to hit on me because I'm Filipino, and I'm like, I just want my taquitos. Can I just go and buy something and go? I'm hungry. White chocolate though. I'm obsessed. My weakness is probably sweets. I went on a diet, which I do every summer. My whole weight was just the sugar. I actually got better. I used to eat at least 2 Twix a day. Yeah. I was obsessed. Baby, come here. And say hi to Walter. Hey, baby. What's wrong? Can you kiss Mama? Kiss Mama. Kiss. Kiss. No. Hello, Walter. Hello, Walter. Hello, Walter. Oh, so. It's just so funny how this Twix looks. I think it's yum. There's a little chocolate in it. Is that weird? So, it says limited edition cookie bars, caramel, white chocolate. I basically bought the whole thing. I didn't have that much left. Woo! So, they're both the same price, the king and the minis. I actually like the minis better, honestly. But it's crazy. This one is 3 ounce. And it's 2.2 ounce. Same price. More in this one. Less in this one. But I enjoy eating the minis better. I don't know why. You know, only thing that will make me really happy is chocolate. I dance because I'm happy. I need water. Water. Tell me what you want, what you really want. What's your favorite junk food? Your dirty little secret. Your ride or die chips. Comment below. My favorite is hot Cheeto fries. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in my midnight munchies. Comment below if you want more of Midnight Munchies with LDV. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and see you next Tuesday for the next mukbang video. I'm full. And cut.